Knowing keyboard shortcuts is always a help. That is because it helps you to speed up your workflow. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around over here, you can see that on the side of the menus right here, there's the shortcut keys that is listed. For example, for duplicate, it's Control D. So if I were to go around and select this, press Control D on my keyboard, you can see that I can immediately duplicate out different shapes right here. So it is much more faster than going around onto the edit menu and by duplicating or by right clicking and accessing out the duplicate option right here. You save a whole step. And this does add up when you're doing a lot of tasks. If you want to know the different shortcut keys that you can use, then you can go around onto help and then click on keyboard shortcuts. So once you do that, what happens is that it opens up your browser and then it accesses the page where you have different shortcuts, as you can see right here. For example, here you can see that you can double click to insert text on an edge of the label right here. For example, Alt plus wheel is canvas zoom in and zoom out right here. Control plus K is toggle tags, and Alt plus cursor is scroll page, and so forth right here. So you can go around and utilize all of these shortcuts right here to speed up your workflow. And that is how you can utilize out keyboard shortcuts to speed up your workflow inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.